He wants to grab it. Not fair. I want to grab it, Dad. Connor, how are you? How are you?
You're a funny man. You're a funny man.
Hey, let me have that. Let me have it. Let me have it. Oh, there's my toes. There's my toes. Love you, Connor.